Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Milani Goat here. So today I'm showing you guys how I moisturize my super dry coarse 4C hair. First thing I'm doing is I'm taking some water and I'm gonna apply that to my hair just to soften it and to allow me to work with it. I'm gonna take my hands and I'm gonna use that to massage my scalp and massage the water that I added to my hair to soften and loosen out my hair. I'm gonna part my hair into 6 sections. Guys, I only work in 6 sections, and I do this because it makes it easier for the products to get into the hair, and it also makes it easier for me to actually work with my hair as opposed to doing everything in one section. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair starting from the back, and then I'm gonna have a part in the middle as well, and then another section in the front. So 3 sections on both sides. This is my holy grail. If you guys haven't heard about this product, you seriously need to check it out. It's the Cantu Shea Butter Conditioning Creamy Hair Lotion. Since I discovered this stuff, my hair has never felt better in general. It just moisturizes my hair. My hair stays moisturized for at least 3 to 4 days before I have to like re-add moisture to the hair. Another thing that I would use today is coconut oil. Coconut oil is really good for natural hair because it actually penetrates into the hair and like makes it like very soft and manageable, and it doesn't leave your hair like greasy. Another thing that I do is take some castor oil. I know that this says it's a different type of oil. I just poured my castor oil mixture with rosemary, and it has coconut oil, tea tree oil, everything in it. I just poured that into this because I like it to get into my scalp, and I just apply this on my scalp. I'm going to take my hair and I will twist it out, do like a little twist. Or sometimes I'll do like cornrows. So depending on what I'm feeling like. Today I'm just gonna do a twist. I will take my oil, apply that to the ends, and use that to seal the ends of my hair. I do my hair in 6 sections. If you don't do this, like, well, for me at least, if I don't do this, I won't even be able to like run my comb through my hair. Like, my hair is that coarse. When I first went natural, I didn't know how to like work with natural hair, and I just was like so confused and just wondering why my hair was so coarse. But it's just because I didn't know how to properly work with it. So I'm taking the coconut cream, applying that on my hair. To be honest, I don't like to use a lot of product on my hair. Once I find my basic and it works for me, I tend to just stick with that. Because of how thick our natural hair can be, sometimes it's hard to actually reach the scalp, and that's where this bottle, this applicator bottle, comes in handy. I just put that directly into my scalp, and that really gets into the scalp. And castor oil is really good for hair growth as well. Tea tree oil is good for itchiness, and rosemary oil is really good. Rosemary and jojoba oil is really good for moisturizing, for dryness, and this has everything in it. So there's a lot of benefits to doing this to your hair. So I mix it in, massage my scalp a little bit. First I use my hand to kind of like stretch out my hair so that I don't experience much shedding when I go in with the comb. And I take the comb and I just start from the end slowly. You don't want to just like start like right from the root, because you're gonna shed. You want to start from the end slowly and use a big wide tooth comb. Use that to kind of stretch out your hair. And once your comb is able to run through your hair at the end, then you kind of work your way. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed videos like this. Please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next